go ahead and generate. This will take quite a while depending on how fast your computer is. So I'll get back to you when this finishes. Here is the finished folder of the Roop rendering. Now you can see I have a new sequence. Now the final step is just to put this sequence into an editing software and turn it into a video. So I'm selecting the new folder that I used for the output directory. And then here you can see the finished video. I'm just going to export this as MP4. Make sure for Premiere Pro, you go under clip speed duration and set this to the lowest setting. That way it will play properly. So I'm just going to export